In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Who is your Valentine filter on Instagram. So once you've loaded up Instagram, you'll be on your home page. Then what you want to do from here is tap on the little magnifying glass at the bottom bar next to the home button. That's going to take you to your explore page, and then you just want to tap on the search bar, and then you want to go ahead and search for this account right here. Now I will leave this account linked up in the description so you can just go ahead and tap on it from there. But you want to go ahead and tap on their filters, which is the smiley face icon next to the IGTV. Tap on that, and there you will see the Valentine's Day 2021 filter, so you can go ahead and tap on that. Now from here you can go ahead and tap the little download button to save it to your Instagram camera for future use, or you can go ahead and try the filter by tapping the try it now button, and then the filter will load, and then you just need to hold down the record button. And then you can go ahead and upload that to your Instagram, or you can download the video and use it on any other social media that you would like. So that is how you get the Who's Your Valentine filter on Instagram. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.